Now, there are some standard limit. Limit 1, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 upon x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 upon x equal to log a. These are two standard limits. Okay, so just come on. The exercise, it is 29.10. From RD. Question number 1. Solve the limit x tends to 0, 5 power x minus 1 upon root 4 plus x minus 2. You have to simplify this limit. So, first of all, we will rationalize the denominator. Limit x tends to 0. It is root 4x, 4 plus x minus 2 into root 4 plus x plus 2. There is 5x minus 1 into root 4 plus x plus 2. Denominator make a formula a minus b into a plus b. So there is a square minus b square. Or it is 4 plus x minus 2 square is 4. There is 5x minus 1 into limit 4 plus x plus 2. 4 cancel. Now, there is a limit x tends to 0, 5x minus 1 upon x into, there is a standard limit x tends to 0, root of 4 plus x plus 2. Student, it is log 5. According to this limit, it is log 5 into, it is root 4 plus 2, or it is 2 plus 2. It is log 5 into 4. It is 4 log 5. Next is limit, it is question 3. X tends to 0, a power x plus a power minus x minus 2 upon x square. So, we will write it, limit x tends to 0, there is x square, a power x plus, we can write it 1 upon a power x minus 2. Now take the LCM. So limit x tends to 0, a power x is LCM, then it is a power 2x plus 1 minus 2 into a power x. Student is making a formula, a square plus b square, 1 means 1 square minus 2ab. Here we can suppose b as a 1. So it is limit x tends to 0, it is a power x minus 1 whole square upon x square into a power x. Right? Now we can write it, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 upon x whole square into limit x tends to 0, 1 upon a power x. There is the logic of limit of product equal to product of limits. So this is a standard limit. Its result is log a whole square into 1 upon a power 0. A power 0 is 1. So standard limit is log a whole square. Now next is question number 7. Here limit x tends to 0, 8 power x minus 4 power x minus 2 power x plus 1 divided by x square. So we will write it limit x tends to 0. This numerator can be factorized. So take 4 power x common, that it is 2 power x minus 1 minus 1 common, it is 2 power x minus 1 upon x square. Right? See, 8 power x can be written as 4 into 2 power x. It means 4 power x into 2 power x. This way we will factorizing 8 power x. Now 4 power x common, then it is 2 power x minus 1, from this minus n common. Now again take common, 2 power x minus 1 common here into 4 power x minus 1 upon x square. We will break this x square, one for this, one for this. So it is limit x tends to 0, 2 power x minus 1 upon x into limit x tends to 0, 4 power x minus 1 upon x. This is the standard limit, it is again a standard limit. Its result is log 2, it is log 4. 4 can be written as 2 log 2. So it is log 2 into 2 log 2, or we can say it is 2 into log 2 whole square. So answer is 2 log 2 whole square. Next is question number 11. That is limit x tends to 0, 5 power x plus 3 power x plus 2 power x minus 3 upon x. So here we will break this 3 like 1 plus 1 plus 1 and convert into the standard limit. 5 power x minus 1 plus 3 power x minus 1 plus 2 power x minus 1 divided by x. Then it is limit x tends to 0, break into 3 limits, 5 power x minus 1 upon x plus limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 upon x plus limit x tends to 0, 2 power x minus 1 upon x. It is log 5 plus log 3 plus log 2. Now again there is a formula, log m plus log n, suppose plus log n equal to log of m and n into n. So according to that it is log of 5 into 3 into 2. 5 3 is 15, 2 is 30. So it is log 30. Result is log 30. Next is question number 14. There is limit x tends to 0, a power x plus b power x minus c power x minus d power x upon x. So see, we will add plus 2 and subtract minus, subtract 2. So it is limit x tends to 0. We will write it a power x plus 1 plus b power x, no, we will write minus 1 with that. B power x minus 1 minus c power x, suppose plus 1 is here, minus d power x and plus 1 is here. So it is minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, plus 1 is plus 2. Okay, so it is adjusted upon x. Now we will write limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 plus b power x minus 1, take minus n common, so it is c power x minus 1 common d power x minus 1 divided by x. Now break into 4 different limits. They all are standard limit. Limit x tends to 0. A power x minus 1 upon x plus limit x tends to 0. B power x minus 1 upon x minus limit x tends to 0. C power x minus 1 upon x minus limit x tends to 0. D power x minus 1 upon x. The first limit is log A. Second is log B. Third is log C, minus log C. It is minus log D. Now, first two terms, they are log A into log B. Take minus sign common, right? That is log C minus log D. So, it is log A into B. Minus common, it is log C into D. Then it is log M upon N. So, A into B divided by C into D. It is the result. So now next is question number 13. There is limit x tends to 0, a power mx minus b power nx upon sin kx. So we will write limit x tends to 0, a power mx minus 1, take minus sign common, b power nx minus 1 upon sin of kx. Now you need x. So divide numerator and denominator by x. So then it is limit x tends to 0, a power mx minus 1 minus b power nx minus 1 whole divide by x. Then it is sin of kx upon x. Then adjust the constant also. So limit x tends to 0, we will write a power mx minus 1 upon mx into m minus limit x tends to 0, b power nx minus 1 upon nx into n divided by sin. There is a limit x tends to 0, sin of kx upon kx into k. Since this limit is 1, this limit is log, it is log a. Log a into m minus, there is a log b into n upon sin, there is a standard limit, sin limit theta tends to 0, sin theta upon theta is 1. So according to that, this limit is 1 into k. So it is m log a minus n log b upon k, or we can write a log a power m into b power n divided by k, which is the standard limit. Now next is question number 12. There is limit x tends to 0, a power 1 upon x minus 1 into x. Limit x tends to infinity, not 0. Question is limit x tends to infinity, a power x minus 1 into x.